Ceigall India's JV with Sushi Infra Mining has received 4 road construction contracts from Moth worth 2,149.62 crore rupees in total. The projects cover multiple sections of NH 913, also known as the Frontier Highway in Arunachal Pradesh. The roads will be built under the EPC model with completion timelines of 36 to 48 months. Piramal Pharma has acquired an additional 40.67% stake in Yapan Bio for around 76 crore rupees. With this acquisition, its ownership in Yapan has increased from 33.33% to 74%, making Yapan a subsidiary of Piramal Pharma. Yapan specializes in developing and manufacturing vaccines and biologic medicines at early stages. Refex Industries has secured 2 ash transportation contracts worth a combined 67.90 crore rupees, both valid for 12 months. The first, worth about 27.48 crore rupees, is from a Maharatna Power Company for transporting pond ash to NHAI and government road projects. The second, worth about 40.42 crore rupees, is from an entity based in Maharashtra for slab-wise ash transportation.